There's something delightful about making some delicious coleslaw at the comfort of your home because it's going to turn out flavorful and super mouth-watering. Made with very basic ingredients, this coleslaw recipe is super versatile because you can enjoy the salad as is or you can serve as a side dish. So grab the ingredients and let's make this delicious coleslaw. Fresh vegetables are perfect for this recipe, and you'll need some white cabbage. We have corn, carrots, red cabbage, coriander, lemon, white vinegar, sugar, black pepper, salt together with mayonnaise. And we're going to start off by grilling our corn to add in some flavor. So I'm going to place a grill pan over medium-high flame. Wait for around a minute or until the pan is super hot. Once your pan is nice and hot, you're going to place in your corn. Grill for around 30 seconds to a minute on each side, and this is going to add in some color to the salad, and the sweet corn is going to get very flavorful and delicious. Use your tongs to flip the corn while roasting because it's going to be super hot. And if you don't have a grill pan, you can simply use a non-stick pan. All you have to do is remove the corn from the cob. Then you're going to add in a little bit of cooking oil into the pan and fry until they're looking very gorgeous. As you can see, we have a little bit of grill marks on the corn. It's perfectly roasting. Or you can simply pick your kernel using a metallic tongue and place directly on the flames, just like this. And you're going to get some lovely color on your corn. Yeah, so cooking is all about creativity. Once your corn is ready, you're going to put out the flames. I'm going to place mine on the grill pan so that it can cool a little bit. Now, we are going to be shredding up our white cabbage, which is nice and clean. So using a sharp knife, I'm going to cut the cabbage into quarters because I'm going to be using 1/4. Shred up thinly, which is going to take around a minute. Also for the coleslaw, you don't need the tough outer green leaves of the cabbage, so you make sure to remove. If you have a mandolin, you can use that as well to shred up your cabbage. And once I'm done, I'm going to pick a bowl, transfer in the cabbage. Next, you're going to pick a vegetable peeler and shred your carrot. You can also use a box grater. This is a multi-purpose vegetable peeler. So carefully, you're going to place the carrots on the grater and be very careful because you don't want to shred your fingers. Once you have a small piece of carrot just like this, just keep it aside and pick the next carrot, which is peeled. You can also clean the outer part of the, you can also clean the carrot and shred without peeling. And once I'm done, I'm going to add in the carrots into the bowl as well. Pick my sweet corn. Then I'm going to use a sharp knife and remove the corn kernels from the cob. All you have to do is place your knife vertically just like this and run your knife all the way down. Transfer to the bowl. Pick some coriander, or you can substitute with some parsley. Thinly shred and add into the bowl. Add into the bowl. Pick my lemon cut in half. Then I'm going to add in some red cabbage. I almost forgot. Squeeze in juice of half a lemon into the bowl. And this is going to add in tartness to the coleslaw. To balance out the tartness, you're going to add in a tablespoon of sugar. You can also use some honey. Add in salt to season, black pepper, white vinegar. You can also add in some apple cider vinegar. Add in half a cup of mayonnaise of choice. So using a spoon, I'm going to toss all the ingredients until fully combined. And all these vegetables have different nutrients, which makes the salad very nutritional, very healthy. So if you notice that not mustard, if you notice that the mayonnaise is not enough, you can add in some more. As the name suggests, sweet corn is sweet, so every bite is going to be delicious. I love adding in a little bit of red cabbage because it's going to make the salad pop, and also the carrots are going to add in color. Once everything is fully combined, this is how your salad is going to be looking. So gorgeous, looking delicious. I'm going to give my salad a taste. Wow, I love that the lemon has added in tartness to the coleslaw. I'm going to try out my coleslaw. Wow. Oh wow, we have tartness from the lemon. It's a little bit sweet. The black pepper is just popping. The veggies have soaked in the mayonnaise. They're super creamy. Everything is looking so delicious, and I'm ready to refrigerate for around 15 to 30 minutes before serving, and it's going to get chilled, get super delicious, because it's going to absorb in all the flavors from the white vinegar, from the lemon to the mayonnaise, and everything is going to be so delicious. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it's a perfect way to add in some veggies to your meals.